It's one of my favourite events of the year, and it's a real honour for me to host the NPTC Group of Colleges Awards, because every year we hear incredible stories, inspirational stories, some of people who've worked against all odds to earn the qualifications and the training that they're being awarded for. There's some remarkable lecturers and staff here, so dedicated. So I'm very, very excited. I'm looking forward to the night. You read the stories, you hear the stories the same as everybody else, and it's impossible not to get emotional. I'm looking forward to hearing the guest speaker as well, Tori. First Welsh woman to climb Everest, me. First Welsh man to climb Gwobrau. And so I'm really excited. That's going to be an inspirational story, which I'm sure will touch many. So we're in for a good night, and congratulations to all the award winners.
I think, to be honest, this is a culmination of probably 2 and sometimes 3 years of work. A huge amount of effort from our students. And these are the best of the best students. So these are not our students who have just passed the courses or done incredibly well at their courses. These are the students who've done better than anyone at their courses. For the students over the next couple of years, maybe 10, even 15 years, they'll be able to look back at this, think of the celebration, think of the achievements that they've got, and use those in applications for jobs and on their CVs in years to come. So the net effect of the amount of effort that they've put in will be with them for a very, very long time.
And it's my absolute honour to be here this evening to congratulate students and staff on their achievements over the last year here at the college. So my advice for students would be dream big, find out what you're really passionate about. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone, because ultimately that's where you're going to find your potential. Ignore the skeptics, because there will be some along the way. No journey is a smooth one. And I think you've got to understand that there's never just one route to your destination. If it doesn't work out the first time, you'll find another way.
It's a great privilege. I didn't expect it at all, and amongst all of the other people who very richly deserved it, I feel very privileged. So the last 2 years, they've been great. I've really enjoyed studying here. My lecture's been incredibly supportive. Met some great people and had some really great opportunities. So I reflect on them very fondly, and they've definitely helped me progress to this next step. I'm going on to Oxford University to do a degree in English language and literature. So I'm really looking forward to that. And again, the skills I've learnt in the college and the support I received definitely made me more confident going on to this next step.